on building the torso. It's a similar process to building the head. So what we want to do is to capture the general shape along here. So I'm going to be using the rectangle tool. Make sure that the head shape layer is locked and the reference layer is also locked. What we want to do is to use a basic shape. So the rectangle tool is great. And we just draw out a basic rectangle. Of course, the fill on this, you can turn down the opacity so you are able to see through to the original design. Now what you want to do is to quickly capture the general shape of the character, right? So I just changed the head shape to wireframe mode so we can still see what's happening there. I'm holding Alt, clicking and dragging to create that bend there. Of course, once you go close to the edge of the line, you will get this curve, which indicates that you are able to curve the line. So I'm just making the shape of the neck there. Now I'm going to bring this area out for the shirt, and of course this is a 3/4 view, so you have to use some amount of X-ray vision in building this pose. So you have to imagine where this line is. So that's basic shape there for torso. I'm going to be using the line tool to make some segments. So the line tool can be used to slice pieces of this off, as you can see. What I want to do now is to create different segments along this piece. Ooh, that's too big. That's more reasonable. And of course, you can easily curve these areas. A really useful thing to do is to sample the colors, fill them. So I no longer need this part. So it's all about using the line tool to get different effects. So I'm just taking the time to shape this character up, get it to be the right shape. Okay, so once you have used the lining and you no longer need it, you can quickly delete it. So at this point I am able to restore my fill to 100% on all parts of the design. It's a pretty flat character. Let's compare it with the head now. So he's looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to be converting this now to a symbol. Now at this point you can add details to this. I'm not going to be doing that. So mark here on it, right click, convert to symbol. Let's call this torso. Click OK. Alright, so in the next tutorial I'm going to be building the arms.